Hello, YouTube. I'm Colleen, and this live stream is brought to you by Princess Dental Staffing. Happy Friday, everyone. Congratulations. You made it through another week, and I'm happy that you can be here to watch this stream. Or if you couldn't be here in person to watch the stream, then I'm glad you get to watch the recording later. So let's jump into today's topic. Today's topic is office managers and problem-solving skills, and why it's important for office managers to have problem-solving skills. Well, why it's important is pretty simple, because despite our best efforts, we are all human. And at some point, the ball is going to get dropped somewhere, mistakes are going to be made, and problems are going to come up. Whether the mistakes were made by your team, by yourself, by your patients, doesn't really matter. At some point, something is going to go wrong somewhere. And a lot of the times it's going to be up to the office manager to correct the problem. Okay, so that's why it's important for office managers to have problem-solving skills. So I went on the balancecareers.com website, and they actually have they listed 5 different steps to the problem-solving process, which I think are really awesome. So step number 1, analyze factors that contribute to the unwanted situation. Okay, so basically analyze where the problem came from, and this is really going to test your knowledge of the different processes and procedures that go on in the office, right? Number 2, generate a set of alternative inventions to achieve your end goal. So come up with some solutions to help correct the problem, okay? Number 3, evaluate the best solution. So take a look at all the solutions that you came up with and figure out which one is going to be the easiest to implement in terms of quickness, in terms of cost effectiveness, in terms of just how easy it's going to be to implement those solutions. And then step number 4, implement a plan. So implement the solution that you came up with that you think is the best. And number 5, assess effectiveness. So after you've identified the problem, identified where the problem came from, implemented the solution, assess how effective the solution is in solving the problem. Because if it's not very effective, then you may have to start over and start again, right? So that's essentially the problem-solving process and how we solve problems in the office. Now, what are some ways that we can actually improve our problem-solving skills? Personally, my favorite way is by playing games. So there are a lot of different games out there that help you solve problems: board games, video games, online games, all those sorts of things. And they really help you improve your problem-solving abilities and can help you have fun in the process, right? As a matter of fact, there was an article published a few years ago by the American Psychological Association. It was published on their website, apa.org, and I'll actually include a link to the article in the comments below after I'm done with this stream. But the article was called Mind Games, and it was basically about these different websites and mobile apps that have these games that are supposed to help improve your brain functions. And they basically talked about these different apps and websites and the effect of the improvements of brain effects in older generations. And actually, it was discovered that these different games actually do have some benefits that support your cognitive abilities, different cognitive abilities, including problem solving. So if you find yourself quarantined and inside with a lot more time on your hands than you would like, why not engage in a game? Why not play a game by yourself with someone that you're in the house with or in your home with? And don't worry, you'll be working at the same time. So if you guys have any other thoughts on problem-solving skills for office managers, if you have any games that you like to play, any online games you like to play, include a link below in the comments and share your knowledge with everyone. I encourage you to do so. Okay, so thanks for joining me today, everyone, and I wish you an awesome, awesome weekend, and I will see you Monday. Bye.